Hello, kids! Welcome! Today we learn about construction vehicles. Let's build and have fun!
I am Bulldozer, tough and wide. I push the soil side to side.
I am Backhoe, dig and lift. I work fast and give a shift. I am Mixer, round and neat. I mix cement, strong and sweet.
I am Pile Driver, strong and loud. I hit the ground deep and proud. I am Crane, tall and high. I lift things up to the sky.
I am Pump, push and flow. I send cement where to go. I am Dump Truck, big and bright. I carry loads with all my might. I am Drill Machine, spin so fast I make holes that really last.
I am Forklift, small but strong. I lift loads all day long.
I am Excavator, big and strong. I dig the ground all day long.
I am Grader, smooth and wide. I level roads side by side. I am Mini Digger, small and neat. Little machine with power complete. I am Skid Steer, quick and small. I turn around and do it all. I am Roller, big and slow. I make roads flat as I go. I am Tower Crane, tall and bright. I lift heavy loads with might. I am Telehandler, reach up high. I lift things to the sky. I am Water Tanker, splash and spray. I keep dust away all day. I am Trencher, sharp and long. I dig trenches deep and strong.
I am Paver, smooth and neat. I build roads under your feet.
I am Loader, scoop and go, moving dirt fast and slow. Which vehicle did you like the most? Tell us now, you are our host. Like, share, subscribe today.